in strings. So these are strings. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Ultimate Coders, and today we are going to do something in Python, and let's see. So first just click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to miss, and if you don't want to miss any updates, just click the bell icon and turn it on. And if you uh, want to do Python on some app software, then I would recommend thonny and pycharm, like any of this. So I use thonny as it is for beginners, but if you want to use pycharm, you can use it. I will give the link in description, and if you want to like get a pro version, then you can just buy it, or if you want to get the free version, just click on here and choose if you like Apple, Silicon or Intel. It will automatically choose. If it is a Mac, then it will show this. If it is a window, if it is Windows, then it will show differently. So these were the app softwares, and let me just open thonny because I simply use thonny. So and when you are in thonny, just click on this new file, or you can choose command new file. So it is untitled. So if you press on Mac, if you press command S, and in Windows control S, it will come as this save as. So like you can type here, I will type here tutorial, and you just can choose where you can save the files, and format is this, and click save. So we are here. So first we will learn about variables. So let's see variables. So they store data in them. Like variables can be anything, like this. A is a variable, B is a variable, but there are some things in Python like for can't be a variable because it is a different function in Python. So let me just assign a value to the variable. So like I create a variable A, then equals to. So equals to means that we will be assigning a data to this, and space. And now we can do anything here, like A equals 2, and then we press enter, then B equals 3. Okay, so we are assigning a data to the variables. So I can also assign characters in it, like English characters, like A equals like hello, but we have to put the characters in strings. So these are strings, which basically means English characters of this. So to print them, or like to correctly use them in Python, we use this or this, and we put the string between them, like this and like this. So let me assign an English word to this. So A equals hello, and then B equals 2, and then like if we run it, nothing will happen because these are just variables that are assigned. We are not doing anything here. So to do it, we will use the, like to show it what will happen, we'll use print function. Print it like it automatically explains itself because it has an imprint. It to print some things, like and remember to put brackets after it. If you like type anything here, it will not work. So put brackets, then in that you have to put the things that you are typing. So I will put my variables here, A plus B. Let's see what will happen. So what we are doing here is that we are like A is hello and B is 2. So when we join them, it will be hello 2. Or let's see what it will be. Yep, an error. So this is concatenation. A string can only add a string in it, not a number. So do that, we will choose here comma, and now see hello 2. This is the thing here. And if I like type here 5 and do here plus, so this time there are numbers here. Okay, there are numbers here, so it will add them and it will be 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And let me do one more thing, that if let's say I want to print numbers, then what I will do, then we will make the integers into a string. So to make that, just put here this thing upper comma and this. Now what it will do, it will just return as 5 to 52, not add them, because now there are strings, not numbers. Okay, so this was the thing. And for characters like A, B, C, D, this we call A, B, C, D equals strings, and the numbers equals integers. Simple. And this symbol means nothing in Python. Like when we run the program, Python will not read this. Anything that comes under in this. So like if I type here this equals 1, and if I run it, nothing will happen, because Python doesn't read these hashtags symbols. So we can type here that Python doesn't read it. Simple. And let's create a small program like a, this is a variable a equals, we will assign a value to it 3, then b equals 6, then we will use the print function, then a plus b, and we will again use the print function. So like we can type here a comma b. Okay, so let's see what it will do. See, first it printed a plus b equals 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9, so it printed 9. Then we have typed here comma, this comma, so 3 and 6. And if we don't want to use so many prints here, like there is another way, like let me show you just. So like we will create a variable as add equals a plus b. So now when we type here print add, let's see what it will do. 9. It means it is adding 6 plus 3, because add, we have assigned the value of ab to the variable add, and now we are printing it here. So it will do this function first, then it will choose this and add it in the print function and print it. So this was a little program that you could do, and I will just link the program in the description if I can. And bye bye. So that's all for the video, and we will meet soon. And just tell me what should I do, that if I should do scratch videos, Python videos, or, and one more thing that I will do in future, it will be mobile app development, and it will be done on this website. So I will tell you about this in my next video, but if you want to check it out, then I will add the link in the description, then you can see from that. So bye bye.